Hello, welcome to Ellipses. We'll be drawing glasses today. These are aluminum glasses from the 1930s, colored aluminum. They're very pretty. But the most important thing we do is not the coloring, it's the actual proportion of the objects and the ellipses. So you could see here, they're all sitting at the same width placement on the table, and they are about as high as 2 glasses wide. This helps me when I start the layout to get the right proportion. Now I've drawn the construction for the 3 glasses, and as you can see, the blue line is the line of where the table meets the wall, and the orange lines are splitting each glass down the middle. On the top and the bottom, I have elliptical boxes, and here are my drawn ellipses within the elliptical boxes. The ellipses I've drawn are as symmetrical as possible, and I put indicators for the spoons in the glasses. Now here I've digitally drawn contour lines for the ellipses, the sides of the glasses, and the spoons, just to highlight where everything is as you study this project. Now you're going to outline your ellipses and your contour lines with your ink brush pen. I'm using a fine point. You use whatever you like. This is kind of a practice situation, so as to help you to get ready for using the ink brush pens comfortably. At this point in time, you'll take your kneaded eraser and erase all your construction lines. Now I'm sketching in watercolor pencil. You can see that on this watercolor paper, it's got a bit of a texture actually on the paper. Now I'm taking my aqua brush to wet down the watercolor pencil. You can use any brush with water. It's just that an aqua brush is really easy to use. Finish the green glass, working on the gold glass. Soon I'll do the lavender tinted glass. Now because you've drawn these on your watercolor paper, it'll be really easy to work the watercolor. You can get it wet and move it around, and then it sort of falls into the paper and solidifies. So you have about 5 seconds of moving the color around with the water before it situates. You can always let it dry and put a second coat on, no problem. You can do this multiple times. You can also use other materials around it. If I wanted to use black marker, or if I wanted to use black pastel, I could. In this case, I use black watercolor paint to finish off the background. And that's it.